Hi everybody, trust you're doing well. Making money online in this month of August is our major goal. And we have put a challenge to make sure that we work towards making money online. If at all we are beginners, and if at all we have been in the field of making money online, we know the basics and we know the good practices. So when we're talking about making money online, we don't mean jokes. We don't lure people. We are not there to entice you. And we are not there to beg somebody to learn how to make money online. Because money, by the way, is not everything. But everything is money. This is what we're going to be focusing on. Everything is money in the month of August. If you know you're there, you're paying extra days. If you know you're there by 2nd, by 3rd, by 4th, before 15th of the month, you are looking at the empty account as far as your salary is concerned. In other words, you cannot happily spend on yourself, pay your bills. Please, let's turn our channels and see making money online. Making money online is not a scam as many people think. It depends exactly what you want to invest in. When I'm talking about investing, I'm not meaning people who are telling you deposit money in this app or in this board, in this engine, and you get this amount of money. You guys, what you need to know is to know that making money online is like any other business. There is no any shortcut. You have to be focused. So when you come on the channel of the Immaculate Show and you hear about making money online, don't know that it is free of charge. If anyone asks you, give me money and I give you more money, run. But if someone, if at all, asks you, for you to earn money more, you need to know this and that, you can pay for masterclass, it's okay. Now let's dive in and see how is making money online real. If you go to the surveys that have been made about making money online, you'll find that 99% of the ventures that I bring here are free. And at the same time, people have gained from them. Then you also find that some of 99% of the popular ways that are being talked about on making money online, most of them are scam. And there is a popular saying in our language that ebyasooka byabonona. So whatever you started with might have spoiled your journey, your mindset, and what you hear, what you understand, or what you perceive on making money online. We go down to the drawing board of making money. We are not saying, I know you're going to say, if you're making money online, why are you still working? Making money online is like any other project, is like any other business. So in this month of August, how are you prepared to make money? But before I ask you how you're prepared to make money, let me tell you, how I always make money online. How I always make my own money. Since I came to know about making money online, it's now 5 years. And I've been earning from one platform to the other, one method or the other. The first method I'm going to share with you, but before I share with you, you guys, let me say happy new month. This is the month of August where we're going to be seeing that everything is money. Though money is not everything, but everything is money. The air we breathe, the water we drink, where we sleep, our mindset, all these things are controlled by money. So everything is money. This is what we're going to be looking at in this month of August. My special engagers, I love you so much, you guys. Yeah, thanks for being there. And to the new subscribers or to the people, the visitors who just came across Immaculate Show, this is a platform. It is authentic. It gives you something tangible, workable. We are not exciting you. There are others which could excite you, but we know if we bring them for you, we'll be taking you to Egypt again. So we give you authentic platforms, tips that we know are working. But this is a disclaimer though, and I want you to underline it. I'm not saying that the moment you follow Immaculate Show, you're not going to lack. The moment you follow Immaculate Show, you're not going to fail to get money. No, there is no money that you will start reaping like as if you're getting mangoes from the tree, mango tree. No, you have to be consistent. You have to work. If you check our video of previously before this video, it tells you the requirements of making money online. Requirements. At least you have to meet, out of 11, you have to meet 9 to 10. It's not everything. It's not rosy. So that is a disclaimer, you guys. These ones we give you tips 2 to 10%. There are different ways. Today I'm going to show you how I've been making money online. I'm not going to show you to others, another person, me as a person. Majorly me, I've made money in 4 to 5 different ways. And starting with the one I'm doing currently, it is content creation. Content creation gives me money monthly. Apart from Facebook, which got a hiccup, I think it is like now I've stayed 3 months without earning. They put my earning on pause, but I've been earning money every month. Yeah, they have their reasons. They feel a human being cannot post like the way I post. They thought it was an AI. It is a robot. 3 posts per hour, it is too much. So that's why they will open it because I'm not a robot. Am I a robot? So apart from that, I've been earning on content creation, and in content creation, I earn from different platforms. I earn on Facebook, I earn on YouTube, and I earn on TikTok. Then on my blog, though my blog also, things became too heavy, and I use opportunity cost where choice is made. I had to make choice that I concentrate more on Facebook and YouTube. TikTok, we get money, just small change. We are talking about the money monthly. You are sure that if I come to my camera and I shake my body, I dance, I talk, I open my mouth, at the end of the month, every day I'll get money. So it accumulates. Content creation has been one of the daring. On YouTube, I earn with membership, I earn with AdSense. It has been one of the best. Yes, on Immaculate Show, I have other 3 channels. One has just been monetized, another is not yet. So I do content. You'll ask yourself, which content do you do on these 3 channels? Your life is content. What you eat is content. Where you move around you is content. That one is clear. And the same content I put on Facebook is the same content I put on YouTube, on TikTok. And the only difference is the format and the vibe. Because there are some things you put on TikTok, people will not watch. You get it. And there, as I told you, we measure in some platforms. We see the platforms that give us more. So YouTube and Facebook has been a darling. I earn on content creation. I go ahead and I earn on digital products. I sold some of my templates, though the books are not yet out. They are still with the publisher. But that is one of the biggest achievements I feel I've ever had to. Then I've earned from, should I call it affiliate marketing? You guys, I've earned on my WhatsApp. I put things on my WhatsApp. When someone wants, I sell it. I don't have a physical shop. I outsource, both from where I can access or online. Then I've earned on apps. Did you know that my first way to earn money, I brought it last to entice you? It was just for playing games. So you can. Making money online is real, and in this 2026 August, we have to hit the jackpot. Jackpot by making sure, knowing that everything is money. And if everything is money, we have to be consistent. We have to show up.